In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Huobi account. First of all, head to your favorite browser or app. Head to the first link, which is huobi.com. Please double check the link. All you have to do is either pop in your phone or email right here or from the top right corner. I'm going to pop in my email, and first of all, make sure that you really use a randomly generated password. That is pretty much important because people can guess your password if you're using something that's personal. Click on sign up, and if you have a referral code, you can use it for a bonus. Clicking on sign up will pop up a verification, which I will have to verify. As you can see, there's an order right here on the top right corner that I have to verify with. So I'm gonna look for the cup, I'm gonna look for the bike, and I'm gonna look for the tornado. Click on OK, and that's basically it. After doing that, I'm going to receive an email. Double check in your spam folder or anything for your registration code. As you can see, here's my registration code. As you can see right here, my account has been successfully created. You can also see that if you download the app, you get around 700 USDT bonus, which is crazy insane. That's basically it. You can use Huobi either in the browser or any of those applications. That's it. Goodbye.